How's it going, everybody? So today we're going to be going over my Robinhood portfolio, and as you see here, we are up 2.46%, which is $173.59 so far today. And right now the time is 1 p.m., which means that the market is closed and we are in the after hours. But for the past week, I'm up 3.27%, which is $229.25. And for the past month, I am up 6.89%, which is $466.40. So let's go over my holdings. And the first one we have here is AGNC Investment. This is a real estate investment trust. And as you see here, I have a total cost of $421.14, and my total return is negative $24.48. I have 22 shares, and I have a 3.05% portfolio diversity. And this is just more for the dividend that it has, 12.31%, which is starting to get a little bit scary because it has quite a high dividend yield. When I got into this, it had lower than 10%, so it is increasing. But I don't know how long this can be sustained, since I think the payout ratio is above 70% now, which is getting quite high for my liking. And the next one we have here is Apple. And Apple, I have a total cost of $1,421.24 and a total return of $32.76, which is 2.31%. I have 8 shares, average cost of $177.66, 11% portfolio diversity. And for the past month, Apple's been doing pretty good. It is up 6.26%, which is $10.70. I plan to hold on for a long time with this position, probably add more to it. I don't think Apple will be much more of a growth stock anymore, and it will keep increasing its dividend yield, so I'll most likely just be in this because of the dividend yield, which most likely they will be increasing it because they have such an influx of cash. And another one I have here is Aurora Cannabis, and as you see, it is up 13.82% today. I just have a little bit of equity in it, $99, total cost of $75.79, and a total return of $23.87, which is 31% up. I have 11 shares. Total call, my average cost is at $6.89. Small portfolio diversity of 0.77%. This is more of my spec stock, but I really want to start getting into this because I want to start swing trading this stock. Let's look at the past month. In the past month, this stock is up 19.08%. So if you would have got in, this would have been a beautiful swing trade. And also, the reason why this stock is up in the double digits today, it's basically because they announced that investor Nelson Peltz as a strategic advisor. And this is a quote that I'm reading off here right now. Nelson is a globally recognized business visionary, has a strong track record of constructive engagement to generate accelerated profitable growth, and shareholders value across many industry verticals that are of great interest to us. And the CEO said this, Terry Booth. So they are glad to have him part of the team for Aurora Cannabis, and that caused the stock to go up into the double digits today, which is good. So all of you guys that own this stock, congratulations to you. Let me know what you guys do with this. Let me know if you guys are gonna sell some off for some profit, or you believe that it still has quite a bit of ways to go up. And the next one I have here is Amazon. And as for Amazon, I have a total equity of $3,381.62, and I have a total return of negative 44 cents, which is 0.01% down. My average cost is $1,691.03. I have 2 shares, 26% of my portfolio. And for the past month, It is up 5.61%. I believe I bought this stock around this time. So I've had this for almost a year now, and it's basically back where it started. One of my new positions that I've got is Activision. I just have a small stake of 4 shares at an average cost of $43.20. I paid basically $172.80. My total return is $1.56, which is 0.9%. And I got into this stock because it's been hammered in the past year, as you see. So I expect it in the next coming quarters for it to bounce back strong. Hopefully, if everything goes well. I have to see. Maybe I'll keep buying some more depending on if it goes down or not. And my next position that I have is Boeing stock. I believe Boeing stock has been getting hammered in the past week. Let's look at it. Yep, it is down 10.9%, and this is basically because of a deadly crash of its popular 737 MAX 8 jets that happened in Ethiopia, and this caused a huge sell-off in the double digits. Rest in peace to everyone that died. And I have a total cost of $693.28. I have only 2 shares. My average cost is at $346.64. But before this incident happened, or this accident happened, this stock was going up to the 450s mark. I am still up a total of 8.83% so far, just because I've been holding on to this stock for a long time and I don't plan on selling it. But this might be a good opportunity to purchase some if you're looking to get into Boeing. Let's go on to the next one. Next one I have is Alibaba, and I have a total of 7 shares at an average cost of $187.38. I believe that I just bought 7 shares and I haven't even touched this stock, but I probably should have got into this stock when it was in the 140s or even the 120s, when all this trade war was heating up. And as you see, my total return is at negative 3.56%, and I just plan on holding this. And if it does decide to go down more, I'll probably buy 1 more share just to average down. The next one I have here is Canopy Growth. And Canopy Growth, I have 3 shares. My average cost is at $45.67. I have a total return of 1.24%. Same thing with Aurora Cannabis. This is more like of a spec stock to me, but I want to start getting into swing trading more, just because I haven't been able to add any more funds into my portfolio. So I had to start getting some more income from my stocks. So I had to start swing trading. I don't know about day trading those penny stocks. I don't think I'll ever do that again, but I'll probably start swing trading some of my holdings just to get a lower cost basis and make some profit. The next one I have here is Facebook. Facebook, I have 3 shares. My average cost is at $176.27. Total return is negative 1.65%. And Facebook, I believe, has been doing pretty well in the past month, up 3.26%, which is pretty good considering that Facebook was dropping like a rock just a few months ago. Great rebound for Facebook. Let's see if it can go back to its all-time highs anytime soon. And let's go on to the next one. The next one I have here is Microsoft. As you see, I have 3 shares of Microsoft. My average cost is at $98.76, and I have a total return of 16.08% in the green, which is great. It's just too bad I only have 3 shares, but this is one of the stocks that I have that's been doing pretty good considering all of the corrections that's been happening. And let's go on to the second last one, which is Nvidia. I think this is the worst one that I have so far. As you see, I have 6 shares at an average cost of $219.37. My total return is negative 23.14%, which is $300 into the red. This is the stock that I'm probably going to be buying soon after I'm done with my swing trade that I'm about to talk about after this. But this stock has been getting hammered in the past year, and it looks like it's about to rebound. So I believe that hopefully it can drop down a little bit and I can get in before it starts making its way all the way back up, and that would be a nice profit for me. Okay, on to the last one. The last one I have here is Tesla, and I did in fact buy some Tesla shares. I bought 7 shares at $280.09, which was a total purchase of $1,960.63. And as you see, my total return is negative 0.04%. I just believe that around the 280 mark was going to be a good purchase point. Like around this point right here is where I bought, and I'm willing to hold on until it gets back to the 350 mark. As long as I can get a 5% plus profit, then I'll be good. As soon as it hits that 5% profit, I'll put a stop loss in to ensure that I make some profit on it. I'm only gonna be selling the 7 shares that I made, so I can maybe buy some Nvidia to average my cost down, because that cost is up in the 220s, 219 I believe, and right now it's at 160, so I am down quite a bit, and I need to get back into it and average down that position, because I'm planning on holding Nvidia down for years and years. Has a bright future ahead of it with all of the AI and the self-driving cars and all that. So my plan is hopefully I can get to the 320s, right? If I can get to the 320, that'll be about $40 per share. 7 times 40, what is that? 280. $280 profit with that. But let's just see how long it takes. And you know, Tesla is quite volatile stock. Maybe it goes even up to 350s, who knows. But as soon as it gets to maybe 310ish, I'll probably put a stop loss, get my profits, and then put that money somewhere else to get some more profits. I'm only doing these swing trades with the stocks that I own to average down. Maybe if I find anything else on my watch list that I see is down a lot, and I'll probably put some money into that. But I'll make a video on that, of course, and tell you what I do. And that's the portfolio, guys. Let me know how you guys been doing. But other than that, please drop a like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on, and I'll see you guys in the next one.